Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do section 10 discriminant. Okay, let's go. Can you go to page 47? Write down section 10. Okay. And this is from quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And where discriminant, which is delta, I'll draw that, delta equals b squared minus 4ac. That delta is discriminant. Okay, and we use, which is inside of this quadratic formula, we use discriminant can be used to determine how many solutions of an equation. You can figure out how many solutions there. Also, you can use the word in-step solution, how many roots they have. We can use that. So if discriminant equals 0, let's say if discriminant equals 0, we will have one solution that will look like this. Meet one point. So we got one solution. If discriminant is bigger than 0, which means positive, we will have two real solutions, or you can say two solutions, which means they will meet 2 points, 1, 2 solutions here. Okay, solution means when, now let's for that. And if discriminant is smaller than 0, which is negative, we're going to have no real solution. No solution is there. Does it make sense so far? Okay. Probably we go to actual question and solve it. Let's go. Example 1. Some coffee. Find the value of discriminant and how many real solutions for equation for this. Okay. So this, I'll write down 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. That's the equation we have. And the question asks you find the value of discriminant. So let's go and find the discriminant, which is b squared delta discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. A is 2, b is 4, c is 2. Therefore, discriminant is b squared 16 minus 4ac. Therefore, 16 minus 16 equals 0. Okay. So, if discriminant delta equals 0, when you go back to previous one, how many solutions we have? we got one solution. So the answer is one solution, or one real solution. Okay, that makes sense. Move on to example 2. Yeah. For what value of k does this equation have two solutions, one solution, and no solution? Okay. This kind of question, I'll copy that. Minus x squared plus 2kx minus 9 equals 0. Therefore, a equals minus 1, b equals 2k, c equals minus 9. All we need to get is discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. What is b squared? 2k squared minus 4a minus 1c minus 9. 4k squared, make sure you do that number as well. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, 36. So that's the discriminant we have. And you need to get, I usually do one solution first. Let's go and get the one solution first. One solution means discriminant is what? Equals 0, isn't it? Yeah. So 4k squared minus 36 equals what? 0. 4k squared equals 36. K squared divided by 4, 9 there. Therefore, k equals plus minus, oh no, plus minus 3. That makes sense? Okay, then that means if I draw that, and let's say this one, I'll try to draw that 4k squared minus 36. I'm drawing this discriminant here, which probably minus 36 minus 36. I'll have something like this. Yeah, let's say k is x. So this is k, and let's say the y value, which means discriminant, equals, so that value is discriminant, and that value is k. That makes sense? Yeah. I draw that here. K equals minus 3 and 3. When k equals minus 3 and 3, discriminant value become what? 0. 0. That makes sense? Like x, let's say this is x, this is y. Yeah. When x is minus 3 and 3, when xk is minus 3 and 3, we'll have value, y value, output, which is discriminant, is 0. That makes sense? Yep. So we get the value here. And then using that graph, that's much easier. Let's say no solution, which means what? Discriminant is smaller than 0, isn't it? Discriminant is smaller than 0. Negative values. So in this case, discriminant is negative value, negative, smaller than 0. The whole part is smaller than 0, isn't it? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Yep. When do we have that value? When x is between what? Minus 3 and 3, isn't it? When x is minus 2, we got negative value. Minus 1, negative value, 0, negative value. So when the k is between -3 and 3, we have discriminant is negative value, this negative part. Sounds okay? Yep. And I can do 2 solution. The condition was if discriminant is bigger than 0, which means positive. Positive. So discriminant is positive. Discriminant is positive when what? X is bigger than 3, we start to have positive discriminant. So if any number bigger than, when k is bigger than 3, we will have positive discriminant. So k is bigger than 3, or, so what else? We covered that part. The other side, when k is smaller than -3, so -4, -5, we start to have delta positive. So k is smaller than -3. So basically the easiest way you can do, you go and find when discriminant is 0. And that will tell you these 2 values. Okay? And then you draw that and you figure out when do we have negative between 2 numbers. When do we have positive bigger than positive number and smaller than negative number. It's pretty easy to figure this out using that graph. Does it make sense for you guys? Yep. Okay. Well, let's use one more question. I will use this assessment question, assessment 4. Find which value k does this equals 0. Okay, and then one solution. When do we get one solution from here?